disposition. One guess who never starts an argument, who never shows a bit of temperament, who's never wrong but always right, who never dream of starting a fight, who gets stuck with all the bad luck. No one but Donald Duck.
It's a big sideshow before you go into the big
Break it apart. Give me room, boys. Again. Again. Okay, Bud. Come on. That's our uncle.
My uncle can lick your uncle.
What? That's our uncle. Let's break it up. What's the beef?
I simply stated that my uncle can lick their uncle.
Your uncle?
Uh-huh. My uncle.
Win $500. Stay 3 rounds with Pee-wee Pete. I'll twist him in two.
Very well. I'll make the necessary arrangements with my uncle. Well, Pee-wee, I got you another sucker.
Good boy, Chauncey.
You bet we'll really pack him in today.
Great.
All right, Pee-wee, cut it out.
Oh. Here's just a big shoulder. Let me at him. I'll go to the woods. Go on, you dog.
All right, don't crowd this room for everybody. You're going to see 3 rounds of spine-tingling murder, mayhem.
In this corner, Pee-wee Pete. And in this corner, Canvasback Doug. Not me, him.
All right. Where is it?
One, two, three.
I gotta get a drink of water.
Oh, the guy's yelling.
Let's go. I am too. Let's go home. Will you show him what you got?
Huh? Oh, yeah? Come on, there, you little... Who are you? Yeah! Huh? Oh, yeah?
Oh, no, the punk's glass jaw.
The winner